What is going on, you fishing freaks? It's your boy Johnny. We're out here again. We got the Kenner 2102. You've seen it. Just came out the middle ground here to check out what's going on out here. Check it out. But you don't like or subscribe. It's fine. You're just going to get snagged on the rocks anyway. Okay. Sea bass on the troll. I mean, that's pretty funny. Okay. Shorty. Porgy. Ooh. Good old slab porgy. No doubt a keeper. Slab porgy, bro. Ooh, boy. That's a juicy one. Small fish award. What a porgy. Another slab, dude. No shortage of the porgs. So, as y'all saw from some of that footage, we got into some porgies. I caught that oddball sea bass trolling. That was that's a little different for me. Fish ate the lure the same size as the fish. Actually, I think the lure might have been bigger. Way bigger. I mean, this is a jumbo. Look at this thing, man. Crazy, right? I don't know. I'm gonna start trolling that again on the way back. See middle ground all the way out there? We're heading back that way. We'll get some nice close-ups of the lighthouse. I haven't been out in a couple weeks, so got the boat started in the driveway first. And I was like, why not? Come on out. Hang with me. No bird play at all. Zero. We got the new TFO Intercostals. You know, these are a little bit different than the old school inshore series. I got the same size as that one. I got two 710s. This is like a mag. This is a mag heavy, 15 to 40. I forget what that is. Another mag. It's not bad. It's definitely got a little more flex in the carbon, but I don't know, we got a bunch of fish on it today. I'd like to get something big on it though, like a big bluefish. It'd be fantastic. She is. Whew, that's a wrap for today. I got a box of porgies. I'll make some ceviche. Let's get a little aggro out here. Guys are yelling at each other. I stay away. I don't fish on the rocks. I don't see him catching any more than me. Porgy power. Some real nice ones in there. Check you later. Like or subscribe, would you?